Different unloading scenarios.
1, 2, 3. Ready to catch? Yep.
Unloading should be conducted by a team of 4 with similar ability. Work from the center of the load to either wall of the truck. Get the case flat first, then lower to the floor.
1, 2, 3. Ready to catch? Yep. On my count, 1, 2, 3.
Spin bottom wheels of the case 90 to get a grip to pull the case forward of cases below. Call all lifts and work together as a team.
Ready to catch? Yep. Coming down. Ready to catch?
Use handles where available.
1, 2, 3. Coming down.
Work from the center of the truck
3, 2.
and call the lift. Make sure there is room to lower or flip the cases you are working on.
2, 1. One, two, three. One, two, three.
Well done, AJ.
Against the wall.
Not all cases are packed the same.
Catch. Tipping.
Here we see packers flipped onto Cadillac cases.
1, 2, 3.
The Cadillac is moved to the wall of the truck for stability and the cases are lowered.
Shut the 1 on 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, coming down.
Call the lift and make sure you have room.
Shut forward. Coming down. Yep.
Proceed down the ramp backwards with the case on the upside of the ramp. This will give you better control of the case. Crew on the side of the ramp to grab handles. They then keep the case straight and act as a brake. Should the case be too heavy, large or cumbersome, call for more crew. You can't always do it yourself. Do not stop at the bottom of the ramp. If your case has an issue like a faulty wheel, move it to the side once down so unloading can continue. Keep the coast clear. Here we have motor cases on their handles and then motor cases on their hinge. Different unload, same scenario. They are heavy. Note that the crew are giving themselves plenty of space to work. No crowding of the ramp.
I'm going to pull it out, lean it back.
A quick look at unloading cases wheels to wheels.